What person in history would you want to take to dinner if you could, and where would you take them?
Jesus Christ.
He does speak a lot about the Lord. 7-Eleven to get a hot dog and a big gulp.
Ruth Chris Steakhouse.
What do you think Chris's favorite way to spend a weekend is?
Probably resting a lot, sleeping.
Playing pool with my son, going to church. A couple different pool halls locally. No table at home.
Does he have a least favorite day of the week?
Maybe Mondays. Maybe Mondays.
Monday, because of how busy it is.
I mean, maybe he has seen Talladega Nights 10 times. I don't know. Anchorman? I don't know. Hard to say.
Rain Man. I've always been a big Tom Cruise fan. I kind of emulated Tom Cruise a lot, and I know that I've watched that movie a lot.
He does sing quite a bit. It's a spiritual song that he sings that repeats holy a lot. But I can't quite make it out between the wall and me. But
Yes, I like to sing. And song that I know all the words to, Gambler by Kenny Rogers.